Hey guys, today we're going to go from zero to barbecue. I'm going to show you how to use the insulated sous vide tank that we built a couple days ago to combine the best of both worlds, the precision of sous vide cooking with the unbeatable taste of grilling it over an open fire. I'm going to make a ribeye for myself along with a few other steaks for my family and show you how I use the sous vide cooker to get a steak that's perfectly cooked all the way through, and then use the Weber kettle to make sure it has that nice fire grilled taste. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, leave a comment below. If you like what you see, like the video, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Hope you enjoy.